not accepted. Please take your valuable.
Okay everyone, today we are doing a 2019 revisit of this Ultramar gas station located on Highway 48 in Stouffville, and they have an Istobal MNEX 22. If you may remember last time we were here, we got the touchless, but today we got in the premium wash. And it looks like this guy is inside the wash bay doing the brushes wash. You can see. Oh, so I can select a touchless or soft touch on the bottom. Choose package below. I would choose for soft touch since I did the touchless last time. Interesting how you can do that now. Looks like we can do it in a quick outside view of this truck getting its wash. This is similar to the Mark 7 Choice Wash XT machines, like at the Shell stations. Man, these dryers are dirty at the end. And for the wash, it was like $5.99 for the premium wash, which is not that bad. And plus tax, it came to $6.77. This machine is really bumpy around, that's for sure. It looks like the back brushes are doing the back. And it's coming back. Here's the Istobal logo. Anyways, I think I'm going impossible now, so maybe I will not hit my limit. So, I will see you then. One more thing, let's watch the real cleaner do its thing where I was doing the high pressure rinse. Since it's just activated on the second pass. You can hear the pressure washer in the chemical room. Anyways, of course the machine is telling me to wait, so I'm gonna pause it for now. And originally for the top wash, it was $10.99. So, I'll pause it for now. Okay, so the guy's going half of a dryer right now, you can see. The sign is telling me to wait. This is boundary signage, by the way. And you will choose for soft touch. Okay, we can enter it in. Perfect timing. Well, that was an interesting wash. So, let's take a look and see how well the wash did. Dries kind of around the sides, except for here, on the window. It did around the sides, except on the, it didn't do around the back. That's a little bit of soap on the back bumper. I don't think that's soap. Yeah, I do. That's soap, a little bit of soap here, and a little bit some soap on the roof, on the back window. Dry kind of around the sides, but not bad. On the passenger side, but not bad. And on the hood, didn't clean that, even though with the brushes on and stuff like that, and a little bit of soap by the windshield, like look. And it got some off the box of the car, and except for here too. So yeah, what do you think of this wash? Do you really like the touchless wash? Do you highly recommend one of offer? This guy's getting the brushes, you can see. Looks like a lot of people are getting the soft touch wash today, which is interesting. Anyways, that was an interesting wash at the Ultramar gas station on Highway 48 in Stouffville. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.